हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कनेक्ट। और आज है डे 9 ऑफ अ 30 डेज सीरीज। चलिए सीखते हैं डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊँगा। इन इंग्लिश, I'll get back soon. I'll get back soon. अगला सेंटेंस, चलो कुछ अलग करते हैं। इन इंग्लिश, let's try something different. Let's try something different. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला। In English, that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. अगला सेंटेंस, तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? In English, we can ask, whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? अगला सेंटेंस, मैं तुम्हें समझा दूंगा। In English, I'll explain it to you. I'll explain it to you. अगला सेंटेंस, मैं तुमसे कोई वादा नहीं कर सकता। In English, I can't promise you anything. I can't promise you anything. Next one, ये तो बस एक बहाना है। In English, that's just an excuse. That's just an excuse. मैं इसके बारे में बाद में सोचूंगा। In English, I'll think about it later. I'll think about it later. तुम्हें बेहतर पता होना चाहिए। In English, you should know better. You should better know भी कह सकते हैं। चलो इस बारे में बहस नहीं करते। Let's not argue about this. Let's not argue about this. बिल्कुल यही हुआ था। In English, that's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. मैं जोखिम नहीं उठा सकता। In English, I can't take risk. I can't take risk. अगला सेंटेंस, तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हो। In English, you are not listening to me. You are not listening to me. Next one, चलो इसे अभी के लिए छोड़ देते हैं। Let's leave it for now. Let's leave it for now. अगला सेंटेंस, मैं अभी आता हूँ। In English, I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Next one, तुम मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हो। In English, you can count on me. You can count on me. Next one, यह मेरी चिंता का विषय नहीं है। In English, that's not my concern. That's not my concern. Next one, चलो इसे जल्दी खत्म करते हैं। In English, let's make it quick. Let's make it quick. Next one, तुम गलत व्यक्ति से पूछ रहे हो। In English, you are asking the wrong person. You are asking the wrong person. मैं अभी फैसला नहीं कर सकता। In English, I can't decide right now. I can't decide right now. ऐसा ही होना चाहिए। In English, that's how it should be. That's how it should be. Next one, चलो इसे हमारे बीच ही रहने देते हैं। In English, let's keep it between us. Let's keep it between us. मेरा मूड ठीक नहीं है। In English, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Next sentence, तुम मेरी बात समझ नहीं रहे हो। In English, you don't understand my point. You don't understand my point. मैंने ऐसा नहीं सुना। In English, that's not what I heard. That's not what I heard. देखते हैं क्या होता है। In English, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Next sentence, तुम्हें शांत होने की ज़रूरत है. In English, you need to calm down. You need to calm down. Next one, मैं खुद ही सब संभाल लूँगा. In English, I'll handle it myself. I'll handle it myself. यही तो है. In English, we can say, that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Next one, चलो मुख्य मुद्दे पर ध्यान केंद्रित करते हैं. In English, let's focus on the main point. Let's focus on the main point. Let's move ahead to our next sentence. तुम बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो. In English, you are making a big mistake. You are making a big mistake. अगला सेंटेंस मैं अभी इसे समझा नहीं सकता. In English, I can't explain it now. I can't explain it now. Next sentence, मुझे भी बिल्कुल ऐसा ही लग रहा है. In English, that's exactly how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. चलो कल फिर मिलते हैं. In English, let's meet again tomorrow. Let's meet again tomorrow. अगला सेंटेंस, तुम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. In English, you are not paying attention. You are not paying attention. Next sentence, मैं सच का पता लगाऊंगा. In English, I'll find out the truth. I'll find out the truth. अगला सेंटेंस, इसमें चिंता की कोई बात नहीं है. In English, that's nothing to worry about. That's nothing to worry about. चलो अब और समय बर्बाद नहीं करते. In English, let's not waste more time. Let's not waste more time. अगला सेंटेंस, तुम मुख्य मुद्दे से बच रहे हो. In English, you are avoiding the main issue. You are avoiding the main issue. Next one, मैं इसे अभी नहीं बदल सकता. In English, I can't change it now. I can't change it now. अगला सेंटेंस, दोस्तों का यही काम होता है. In English, that's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. Next sentence, चलो अच्छे की उम्मीद करते हैं. In English, let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. यह सही तरीका नहीं है. In English, that's not the right way. That's not the right way. Next sentence, चलो इस गलतफहमी को दूर करते हैं. In English, let's clear this misunderstanding. Let's clear this misunderstanding. बोलने से पहले तुम्हें सोचना चाहिए. In English, you should think before speaking. You should think before speaking. Next one, मैं अभी सहमत नहीं हो सकता. In English, I can't agree right now. I can't agree right now. Next one, मुझे इसी बात का डर था. In English, that's exactly what I feared. That's exactly what I feared. अगला सेंटेंस, चलो पहले इसे ख़त्म करते हैं. In English, let's finish this first. Let's finish this first. अगला सेंटेंस, मैं याद रखूँगा कि तुमने क्या कहा था. I'll remember what you said. I'll remember what you said. यह मेरे साथ अन्याय है. In English, that's not fair to me. That's not fair to me. अगला सेंटेंस, चलो अब इस विषय को टाल देते हैं. In English, Let's avoid this topic now. Let's avoid this topic now. अगला सेंटेंस, तुम्हें मेरे फैसले का सम्मान करना चाहिए. You should respect my decision. You should respect my decision. Next one, मैं तुम्हें मजबूर नहीं कर सकता. In English, I can't force you. I can't force you. Next sentence, चलो संपर्क में रहते हैं. In English, let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Next sentence, तुम्हें ज़्यादा सावधान रहना चाहिए. In English, you should be more careful. You should be more careful. Next sentence, मैं तुम्हें एक राज बताता हूँ. In English, I'll tell you a secret. I'll tell you a secret. Next sentence, मुझे यही उम्मीद थी. In English, that's what I expected. That's what I expected. तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा करना होगा. You need to trust me. You need to trust me. अगला सेंटेंस, मैं हर जगह नहीं हो सकता. In English, I can't be everywhere. I can't be everywhere. Next sentence, यह एक मुश्किल सवाल है. In English, that's a difficult question. That's a difficult question. Next sentence, यह मेरा आखिरी फैसला है. In English, that's my final decision. That's my final decision. चलो थोड़ा देर आराम करते हैं. In English, let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. Next sentence, यह वाकई निराशाजनक है. In English, that's really disappointing. That's really disappointing. चलो इस पर फिर से बात नहीं करते. In English, let's not discuss this again. Let's not discuss this again. Next one, तुम पूरी बात समझ नहीं पा रहे हो. In English, you are missing the whole point. You are missing the whole point. Next one, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. In English, let's keep moving forward. Let's keep moving forward. Next sentence, तुम्हें नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए. In English, you should follow the rules. You should follow the rules. Next sentence, चलो इसे यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं. In English, let's end it right here. Let's end it right here. Next sentence, मैं कुछ सोचूंगा. In English, I'll think of something. I'll think of something. अगला सेंटेंस, यही मेरी समस्या है. In English, that's exactly my problem. That's exactly my problem. Next sentence, चलो इस पर मिलकर काम करते हैं. In English, let's work together on this. Let's work together on this. तुम्हें जल्दी करना होगा. In English, you need to act fast. Or you can say, you need to do it fast. मैं पक्के तौर पर नहीं कह सकता. In English, I can't say for sure. I can't say for sure. Next one, मेरे लिए यही मायने रखता है. In English, that's what matters to me. That's what matters to me. अगला सेंटेंस, चलो कोई धारणा ना बनाए. In English, let's not make assumptions. Let's not make assumptions. Next sentence, तुम्हें सलाह सुननी चाहिए. In English, you should listen to advice. You should listen to advice. अगला सेंटेंस, मैं आपके जवाब का इंतज़ार करूँगा. In English, I'll wait for your reply. I'll wait for your reply. Next sentence. यह सिर्फ आपकी राय है. In English, that's just your opinion. That's just your opinion. Next sentence. चलिए मीटिंग की तैयारी करते हैं. In English, let's prepare for the meeting. Let's prepare for the meeting. Next sentence. आप बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद कर रहे हैं. In English, you are expecting too much. You are expecting too much. Next sentence. मैं अब और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. In English, I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. Next sentence. बस यही आखिरी बात है. In English, that's the last thing. That's the last thing. Well, this was our last sentence. जल्द ही मिलेंगे next video के साथ. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thanks for watching and thanks for all your support.